today on the 12th of July 2022. Sadly, Mahonakatu 2 is taking or like the whole building, I mean, they have been replaced with car risk. This area, Jalkarata, is not good for elevator filming, except, well, two buildings with Valmachlieren elevators. The other one is unknown, we're not sure about it, but might be also, we're not sure. So only two in here, where that we can come back to later. Lahti is Finland, and of course we've got other areas that we go to soon. Here.
Yeah.
This one has 6 floors, it was replaced in 2007. I'm not sure when it was built, it must have been late 1970s, but you can check the information later. And of course doesn't have that information here. Capacity is 6 persons, 50 grams, and the CM is 108-38206. This replacement is turning 15 years old this year in 2022, and it's going to be inspected next year in 2023. There's still a wood interior, but of course we don't have time to film all of them. Because it's still too boring.
Yeah.
It's a disappointment. It is a big disappointment. So we were really hoping for something better here, like MP8 or VS.
Yeah.
But it wasn't. It was only that 79 built residential building here, and then of course those two Valmachlieren, if there's two, or one or two. And then the Coniam that we filmed from 1992.
Yeah.
The Delta, and that was all. Because we don't think that 2004 has anything done in KSS, because they are, all those buildings are so exactly similar.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's